All right. What is up? Today it is the 8th of November and right now it is exactly 11 o'clock. You must be wondering why I am wearing this jacket in this time. Also, the weather is sunny because the wind is kind of chilly. It is merciless. It is kind of cold if it is windy, and because it is 11 o'clock and it's pretty early. Yesterday it was raining here, that's why maybe. But other than that, whenever like when the sun is like hitting your skin, shining on your skin, you can feel the warmth. Yeah, it is warm. So I'm here in Matala, as I said, 8th of November 2022, very late season. We will be taking a walk, seeing what's going on, if there are any businesses open, and if it is a correct or right time for you to visit Matala or not. Okay, so I was about to go and walk on the beach, but I didn't know that they are making a movie there. It's a movie set in Matala, and I am pretty excited about the movie. I don't have any idea which movie it is or which movie it will be. If it's a Hollywood movie or if it's a Greek movie or if it's a European movie, I don't know. But that's the set. They are working, that's why they said like, okay, maybe you can come here later. So now we will be taking a walk in this side of the beach and exploring Matala. And so far the Boohoo bar is still open. One day I want to make movies like that, and I'm pretty like they are making a movie over there. They are shooting a scene. I can see the guy holding the mic, the sound guy, the reflection breaker, all of these stuff, and it is it's a dream. I was here at night and I was looking for a souvlaki shop or something to eat. Over there is a restaurant. It's a very fancy one that was open. Another restaurant which I will show you, it was open, but there were no, like, bars were open. There were like 3 or 4 of them open, but I couldn't find like a souvlaki shop, like a shop where I can just buy something in an affordable price and spend my night. But I went to Pizzeria, which is a little bit away from Matala, and then I could find a grill shop where I bought a gyro pita and ate and call it a night. Yeah, I also ordered a Coca-Cola, which was not also bad, with sugar. Guilty is charged, but what to do, sometime we gotta give ourselves a small little treat. So the restaurant was over there, that one. And now I need to figure out a way to climb this place. Hopefully I don't fall down. This restaurant was open and it is still open. So if you are planning on coming to Matala, then you have a place to eat. In the past I have been here. I have eaten in that one, in that restaurant. I guess I have grabbed a drink. In this one, there is another bar. It was called Hakuna Matata. It's not anymore Hakuna Matata. They have changed the name to Hippie's Cave. Hippie's Cave. Now it is called Hippie's Cave. I drink here a mojito. If you would be thinking like if there is somebody who is holding the camera, there is nobody. It's just me. Nobody else. Look again. Okay, as you saw, as I told you, there is like 2 or 3 bars still functioning in Matala. Well, the beach is always open to your face if you come even in the middle of the winter. The only good thing is that you don't need to pay any parking fees. Okay. And of course there are some shops open. You still can buy if you are thinking, considering gifting somebody back in your country. Buy something from Matala and take them to your friend. So that's also you can do. But to be honest, yeah, it seems like the season is pretty much over. And me, I personally, if I feel adventurous and if I feel a little bit crazy, I might go and swim. And if I feel lazy, I don't think I want to jump into the water. Yeah, that's something also you should keep in mind. But if you are somebody who is in love with the scenery of places like I am, then you can travel anytime you want. You will find food to eat. You will get to see the beautiful scenery and take some pictures and just live the moment for yourself. Yeah, that's for sure you can do. And I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, hit the like button and also share your thoughts, recommendations, whatever you have in your head in the comment section. And I will read and I will replay the interesting ones, the genuine ones. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel, support me, my PayPal account link and my Patreon account link is in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace.